About leaving now. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me once again. Come with me as I take a walk down to the city center. I actually wanted to see how the 2024 will be ushered into the new one, which is 2025. So at this stage, I'm walking down from where I live, and this is a view of the entrance leading to the outside. You can see the outside, it's a little bit dark, and well, not too dark as such. So I have come to a certain point and I sat down there watching every event taking place, every action taking place. I observed that many people were rushing towards a particular direction, as you can see here, all adorned in blacks, except for very few of them. At this point, I stood up and started walking towards that same direction. I don't know exactly where they were all heading to. So, as you can see here, I'm still walking down. I have to stop to take a shot of this. From almost everywhere, you hear the word Aguri, Aguri, which translated means best wishes. Two ladies and a boy beckoned on me to come over, shouting Aguri. I went to meet them and complimented their greetings. At the same time, one of them asked me to give her a peck on both cheeks. I did, and I moved on. I stopped at a point, trying to take a shot of some two young boys who asked for a shot as well. I did, and they walked away, thankfully. So I'm now at a point and I'm watching from a distance how the fireworks were going. Over the years that I've celebrated both Christmas and New Year celebrations in Italy, I have discovered that people can be very friendly in this particular period of the year, the Xmas period and the New Year. Even if they don't know you, they are quick to greet you in that local way of greeting, Aguri, which, as I said earlier, translates to mean best wishes. Of course, many Italians are kind-hearted people. So, the fireworks continue here. I've moved a little bit closer to where the fireworks were being fired into the sky, but not as close as you can see from here. Moving closer to where the fireworks are being fired can't give you a proper beauty, so I decided to maintain a distance to get the full glare of the fireworks, as you can see here. It's a very brilliant one. Capture it from the ground floor, or from the bare floor rather, to the sky. This is beautiful, isn't it? You can see, as I told you earlier, almost all the people passing by are all clad in blacks. It appears the black color is the most favorite color everywhere, except for some few persons who are clad in white tops. The law enforcement officers are always on ground, moving their vehicles slowly to ensure safety and to keep law and order. Of course, the ambulance vehicles are always patrolling as well to ensure that there is safety of persons and to convey any wounded or treat them if they could at that moment. So I can see here the ambulance moves slowly around almost this whole area. Perhaps there are other ones in other areas, but these are the most populous area where people are celebrating the more. There was a loud one there that even shook my camera. My camera caught this firework on this lane, even though I didn't see those displaying it. I thought it was beautiful, even though the lane was a bit dark. Always being filled up with spillover. But believe me, by the morning time, you won't see any of this around. It will have been taken care of by the waste managers. At this point, I'm heading home. If you have watched this video this far, I know you must have enjoyed it. Please try and follow for more. Thanks once again for watching. Happy New Year to you in your respective homes or respective countries. Bye bye.